Number 19, Sabrek. Sige, pakitawag. Naku, yun. Nagkabala mo. Winners, so. Ayan ang aming commissioner. Kita nyo naman. Kaya love natin yan. I love you, winners. Yes! Good boy, number 9. Push down. Last 2 minutes. Ang last 2 minutes ay rin sa inyo ng Robust Energy Drink and Whisper with Wings. Number 5 for 2. Number 4 to number 7. Tinira, wala na yung star na 4. Grabe talaga. Si number 4 for 2. Pero si kanina, maalat yan. Ilagyan ng asukal, tumamis. Number 15. Yes, bali-bali mo. Number 15 for 2. Sige po. Pero tayong powder, ibigay. Number 15. Kaya! Let's go, boy! This time out is brought to you by Whisper with Wings.
Nawala kanina yung pag-record. May mga iba dito hindi nakuha.
And Latigo 40.
Nawala yung
Para sa mga bigis.
Nawala. Yung recording, nawala. Hindi ko pinapatay.
Okay. Balik po tayo. Number 1. Number 4. Okay, ball. Push ball right. Number 15. Push back. 1-4. Penalty. 1-4 penalty. Less than a minute to play. 57 seconds. Okay, ball naman tayo doon. 23. Penalty na. Penalty po tayo. Substitution number 3. Out of bounds. Only 3 seconds to go. Number 9. Ulot-ulot books, number 9. Ayun, yes sir! Number 9 for 2. Number 13. Okay, awal yung backward. Back variation po yun. Backward variation. Ayun, nability. Number 9. Number 8, ubus oras. Number 24, libre on alone, lazy day. Yes, sir! And of the ball game, para for 63-47. Panalo po ang Let's Ako Boys.
Kala ko kapos eh. Story yun.